Alright, this is the monitor I will be using, the Gateway HX2000 black. Guess what? 20 inches. I was never going to get a 20-inch PC, 20-inch LCD screen, because I wouldn't be able to afford anything like that. And if so, it would set me back some money. $71 to ship to my area. It cost about $86 total. I say that's a bargain on a 20-inch monitor, widescreen. Check this out. Native resolution is 1600 by 900. Beautiful. I think this monitor only does 720p, but that's fine. I don't care. That's HD. It's got DVI, DVI with HDCP, high digital content protection. I think that's what it means. Let's see if we can get a rare picture of this, because I would really like to know if this thing has VGA. So let's see. More info. Alright, I'm looking for the output or input. Yes, here we go. VGA, DVI. And that's just in case, I don't get the VGA cable with this. I mean the DVI cable with it. So I have a VGA cable. Let's see what comes with the box. 20-inch display. Power on and off, easy touch on-screen display. That's the OSD. It's not touchscreen. Of course, all the screens say Energy Star, but that's because they have an energy saving mode when the monitor is not being used, or if it is being used, it doesn't use as much wattage as the other ones. But it's kind of bullcrap. Yeah, that noise you hear in the background, like a fan just went up. When I get my new PC, you will hear no more fans kicking up every time I do the cam program. So let's see. And not to mention, I still got to get me a mic for my computer. So this budget build wasn't so budget. I spent too much money, but with Google, they'll help me pay for it. Let's see. Oh yeah, see that thing. I'm trying to see if it comes with the actual VGA cords. Devices NA. What do you mean? Response time 5 ms, contrast ratio, not the best. I've seen some 6,000, 8,000, but it'll do. I'm not looking for anything high performance, but it's widescreen and it'll do 720p. My camera's going to be 720p, so that's going to be nice. Oh man, I can't. I don't know what this comes with, but this is the monitor I'm getting. I mean, this is what it looks like. I wish. Let me see if I can enlarge the photo. Yeah, they don't have a whole, photo slideshow. So, yep, that's the monitor I'm getting. And, yep, can't wait to game with it. Should have it by Friday.